Having trouble receiving texts on your Straight Talk phone? It's often due to two main culprits: SMS filters and iMessage issues. Straight Talk, being a prepaid carrier, sometimes has overly aggressive SMS filters that block legitimate texts, mistaking them for spam. Also, iMessage, Apple's messaging service, can cause problems when communicating with non iPhone users or when your phone isn't properly configured on the Straight Talk network. As of September 2025, these issues still happen due to Straight Talk's network infrastructure and how it interacts with SMS and iMessage. We'll help you diagnose and fix these issues to get your texts flowing again. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps to fix texting problems on your Straight Talk phone. We'll go through each step systematically. First, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. This will clear any cached network issues that might be blocking your texts. Next, ensure your APN settings are correct. For Verizon-based Straight Talk plans, the APN should be set to TF data. This ensures your phone connects properly to the network for sending and receiving messages. Now, toggle iMessage off and back on. Go to Settings, Messages, and turn iMessage off. Wait a moment, then turn it back on. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for this to work properly. Update your iOS to version 18.1 or later. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. This update includes improvements for cross-carrier compatibility that can help with texting issues. If you're still having iMessage issues, deregister iMessage from Apple's website. Visit the deregistration page, enter your phone number, and follow the instructions. Then reactivate iMessage with your Straight Talk SIM card. Finally, if problems persist, contact Straight Talk support. Their app now includes AI-assisted diagnostics to help identify and resolve complex issues quickly. Remember, SMS delivery rates on prepaid networks like Straight Talk can sometimes lag behind postpaid services. By following these steps, you should resolve most common texting issues.